Welcome to my channel. Friends, today video topic is fence design ideas. A fence is a structure that encloses an area, usually outdoors, to provide security, privacy, or a boundary. Fences can be made from various materials such as wood, vinyl, metal, chain link, or even plants like hedges and bushes. Friends, fence styles include picket fence, privacy fence, slot fence, wrought iron fence, chain link fence, farm fence, and split rail fence. Friends, the height of a fence depends on its purpose. For privacy or security, taller fences are common, while decorative fences might be shorter. Friends, when come to maintenance, different materials require varying degree of maintenance. Wood may need staining or sealing, while vinyl and metal require less upkeep. Friends, a fence holds multifaceted importance in home decoration. Beyond its practical function, it acts as a canvas to enhance the visual appeal of our residence. By framing the property boundaries, a fence provides a definite structure that not only demarcates ownership but also adds a touch of sophistication. Its aesthetic role is pivotal. Whether a quaint picket fence exuding charm, a contemporary slot design exuding modernity, or an intricate wrought iron masterpiece, the fence harmonizes with the architecture feature and landscaping, coalescing the property overall style. Moreover, it fosters the creation of distinct outdoor enclaves, from serene garden hideaways to cozy deck retreats, imparting a sense of intimacy. Friends, functionally, the fence delivers privacy by establishing a shield between home and world, amplifying security and contributing to the safeguarding of children and pets. In its customizability, landscaping, integration, and potential property value appreciation, the fence becomes an integral facet of the home decoration, both enriching the aesthetic panorama and addressing practical needs with fitness. Friends, you can use these ideas in your daily life freely. Friends, please like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.